Today, we're gently exploring how to teach our little ones accountability. Hearing these phrases every single day is exhausting. I see you, and it's just so incredibly hard. You're not alone. For young kids, this blaming isn't naughty behavior. It's actually perfectly normal. Instead of seeing it as a lie, think of blame as their quick escape from a really big feeling. Their little minds are just beginning to learn how to hold the heavy weight of making a mistake. So, let's walk through 6 gentle, reassuring ways to help them build that accountability over time. First, when their feelings run hot, ours must run cool. We have to be their calm anchor. Using a steady, quiet voice shows them that telling the truth is safe, not something scary. Softly shifting from a harsh "why" to a gentle "what happened" completely changes the entire moment. When we invite children in rather than pushing them, the truth naturally tumbles out over time. Next, try naming the feeling underneath. Shouting, "He took my toy," usually just means, "I'm so angry." When we gently validate that anger, they feel seen and those defensive walls just simply melt away. But honestly, the most powerful tool we have? Modeling apologies ourselves, right out loud. Kids learn accountability far more from watching us bravely make amends than from any lecture we give. If saying sorry feels like a painful punishment, our little ones are naturally gonna avoid it. Instead, praise their courage. This beautifully helps kids lean into being brave when they make mistakes. Finally, the gentlest tool. Use beloved picture books to softly mirror their own big feelings. Stories let kids watch a character be brave, safely practicing that journey right from your lap. You're doing a wonderful job. So how will you beautifully model courage for them today?